Gavin Ace here from the old Parakao store. This week we're doing a video on our hoist, and we still haven't done much to our 28 Chev truck project, but this hoist's been taking up all my time and building a pop-up for the shed. So I thought this week I'd just talk about a few other channels I've been watching. YouTube's a great thing, I think. I don't even watch TV anymore, just other people's YouTube channels. And one of my favourites at the moment is Cold War Motors. Some Canadian fellas. They're pretty hard case. They've got some awesome cars. They do great work. It's well worth checking out. Check out Cold War Motors. Right, we pulled the iron off. Yeah. For where we're going to put the pop-up. These are just hardly even holding in there, but we'll cut these two rafters out and strengthen the rest up, and it should be better than new. So we made our bracket up. It's going to go on the top plate and up to the new rafter height up there. We'll weld that on and screw it to the side of the rafter.
An AMC motor.
Oh yeah.
So she's a little bit different.
Yeah, it's a good one, eh?
Different colour, eh?
Very nice.
Original 66,000 miles.
Yeah. Lovely interior.
It's still got the plastic on the plastic floor mat from the dealer in Fresno, California.
Yeah.
You know, it's just.
So we got the roof on late last night. Now I'm gonna cut these other rafters out, and I got a frame up for the sides. I wanted to get some windows for the end there. I made that full steel bracket there that holds the hoist, and it holds the building square on that side. And then we've attached it to the big beam on this side, because we've only got 100 mils of concrete. So I don't trust the 100 mils of concrete, because the floor was built before the hoist. So yeah, we're gonna frame that in, pull these rafters out. A little tip I'll give you, and everyone knows I'm not that safety conscious, but if you're doing demolition, knock your nails back where you're doing it. Takes 5 seconds, but you stand on one of those motherfuckers and you know all about it. You only got to do it half a dozen times and you always knock your nails out. Or at least flatten them over. When you stand on those, they go right through your boot. and it hurts going in, but it doesn't hurt half as bad as trying to pull it back out again. This is just firewood, but I'm not going to pull the nails right out, but it just pays to knock them out while you're doing it. One down. That's looking better. So we're going to take this rafter here out now, and then we're going to undo a bolt up there with coach screws, and we're going to try and reuse this rafter to form a truss on the last 4x2 over there. Yeah, we're going to tie that back up to that 6x2 and ply that end, and that will give us a hugely strong truss with plywood and 6x2. So it looks good without this other rafter in here, and I did it like that. It's got little dummy rafters coming out, so that's why I cut them off there, because there's a little, just the feet and the iron on the outside. So that left the dummy rafter there. I know what someone's going to say, that you shouldn't be hopping around on a ladder, and I don't know about the rest of the world, but over here our Osh has got that crazy that you aren't even allowed to walk up one of these ladders. But in my younger day, I could walk up that ladder to the top without even leaning it on anything. And maybe if you can't balance on a ladder properly, you shouldn't be climbing up it in the first place. So yeah, Osh over here would have you not even use that ladder. It would be illegal on a building site. But man, it's just got out of control. Back in my day when I was learning, I did chippying for 3 years. And my old boss, best dude I ever known, Neil Lang, and if I didn't remember a measurement, a hunk of wood went flying at my head and you had to catch it before it hit you or get out of the way. And you learnt how to remember measurements the easy way. So, but now we've just got all PC. Well, we're banging on about health and safety. Check this floor out. What a bomb site. But if you can't learn the basic skills of walking around a messy area without tripping over everything, because health and safety makes you clean everything up that much that you can't even, there's nothing to trip over, so it's safe. Where are you going to learn those skills to dodge everything? And it's just dumbing everyone down. What's wrong with learning how to step over shit and not tripping over? It's the basic skills of life. And we're just getting useless at everything. because we're making things so safe that we're not learning how to dodge problems. Right, now we're just going to frame up the end and plywood it, which will be a bracing element in itself. And did I go and pay an engineer a whole lot of money to design this roof? No. Is it going to fall down? No. And why is that? Because this barn is 84 years old and it stood on the top of a hill through Cyclone Bowler and the 500-year floods, and it's still standing here with one nail in each purlin. And I've built this twice as strong as what was already here, probably 3 times as strong, to accommodate my hoist, which I don't want falling on my head. Common sense, health and safety. So yeah, I think we should be all good. So off to our local demo place, try and find a couple of windows for the old pop-up around the hoist. The old Suburban's feeling a bit sad, so we bought the Plymouth. Hopefully I can get the plywood in the back.
Was that one of them?
What did I write down here? A metre 98.
No, a metre 90 by 1100. One of them's by 1100, one of them's by 1400, and one of them's by 1220.
These are 1230 by 1210. Second and first.
No, 1210's too high.
Well, how much? No, I can cut 20 mil off.
It's more than 20 mil.
Oh, it's 100, eh?
Yeah.
Like it's an hour split.
Oh, that's a shame.
That's
What about over here?
It's a metre 20 by 1200 at a foot. Won't it?
Yeah, but it's a little bit small.
No, it's not. It's in here.
It's a metre 90 by 12, a metre 90 by 11, and then a metre 90 by 14.
20 by 12, 10. And what's that one? That'll be, so we need these two and the middle one.
Get out of that. That one. Yeah. Right. Okay. Put it. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So our floor's a bit out, so we thought we'd just weld a bit of plate in there.
Is it?
Get that car up high. Yeah, done those ones.
I've got to find a plug actually. I'll go and find a plug and we can wire it up.
You see that? Shouldn't be doing that, eh?
Oh yeah, flick it on.
Ah, it's switch
Is that you?
No.
Good.
What'd you do?
I give it a little click.
We're on to it now.
Oh man, I could feel the thing go out of it then.
Yeah, yeah.
So
The
that
current?
was over. Can you smell burning?
No. Yeah, no.
That was over with a bit of contact cleaner going.
Jump with it, Gary. Wow, this is sweet now. Oh, yeah, click it on that side, click it on that side. I reckon that's fucking awesome. All you gotta do is remember before you go underneath there,
Yeah.
you fucking let it down onto those bloody walls. No.
Right. Easy down, slowly going. Fuck, is this side going to lock?
Yeah. Oh,
I don't know if it has, you know.
I've got a funny feeling it's going up uneven, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's got it now. Let it go
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, no, she's going that way. Your side's down further than this side.
Yeah. So it means this side is not locking. So what does the locking?
Is it not locking, you reckon, or?
Well, it did make a noise, didn't it?
Yeah, it did click on the way up. But it seems to be not locking on the way down, eh?
The only thing you do is take it out underneath.
Like we are different heights
Yeah.
by 10 mil.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're more than 10 mil, right?
Yeah, you look at the diff.
Yeah. No, yeah. Yeah, you're an inch.
So for some
The
reason,
2 inches
oh,
up.
hang on, I know why. That's clicked on there, look.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Going
That was really good. Move first before the other one.
Yeah.
So I go down now?
Yeah, we'll go down. We're not just slipping off the chassis with every thing, no.
No. No, looking all good.
Now it might work. That was hooked on that steel, eh? There you go.
That's better.
That's it, eh?
That's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
it was.
See, that was hooked on that. Fucker.
Oh, that's a bit of a catch.
See, that's it. Yeah, right.
Yeah. Ah, fuck me.
Hey, like, fuck, imagine changing. I'm going to drain this gearbox.
Because I've got my gearbox fucking.
Well, it's full of water.
Was it?
Yeah.
Oh, beauty.
And well, look, we've got a gearbox stand.
Yeah, that you can jack up there and take that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, don't pull the wire.
That's something wrong with that thing, you know. Get hooked up in it.
Well, I suppose what you do is you just take it off. If you're working away there.
Yeah, yeah.
And you just, that just means you
Make sure you
don't
clip
play
on,
with it then.
clip on it either. There's a few little things we have to remember. So if you go forward,
Yeah, gonna get forward good for the good.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, you just got to take a gearbox,
Yeah.
so it won't be light. Oh, look, you even got another stage.
Oh, extension! Woohoo!
Right, we'll see what this shit looks like,
Yes.
eh?
That's bloody sexy. Oh, no, he's got.
You got it? Chad, you'll never see a gear now.
Oh, you'd be out
Where's gear? Oh, he's underneath the car.
Yeah.
Under another car.
It's going to be Mike and Henry. Look at that. That's
Oh,
all
that's
water.
pure.
Oh!
That is all water. Fuck, it doesn't smell too nice, either.
It's been there for a while.
That's the hydraulic fluid, eh?
That's the clearest looking oil I've ever seen in my life.
Beautiful.
That's not good for
Fuck,
the
there's no oil in that at all.
No, not even a drip at the end.
Holy fuck, that might be a bit of a hindrance.
Could well be.
That doesn't smell too nice, that water.
No.
She doesn't smell oily anyway.
No, but I looked down the gearbox and everything was coated in oil.
Oh,
So, water, as long as there's no air,
yeah, you're
we're
fine.
good. So we'll just let that drip for a bit.
Yeah, as long as if it's encased in water,
Yeah,
no problems at all.
no air. So
But
when the
if
air
the air get in there, you got corrosion.
so I need to stick the air in.
Okay.
Yeah. Where we want about.
Yeah.
So this is where we're up to. We've got our windows in. We've popped our roof up. Plied the side. I'm just battening the outside of it. Hoist is all operational, working. So we're getting there, so hopefully next week we'll be back onto the old 28. It'll be a lot easier working on it now. And yeah, it should be good time. Just got to finish this wall today. And we've got the mud drags on Sunday. So she's pretty full on as normal. There's a pop up. I'm just starting the battening. Windows in. Starting to get there. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate all the subscribers, new and old. We're getting dangerously close to the 1,000.